feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So I'm going to use a software known as Canva for this demonstration. So open your browser and go to Canva. I will be doing this for one of my videos I've already created for how to download the downloader for your smart TV or my box or Fire Stick. So we'll be creating a thumbnail for that video of mine. So we go to create design, which is here. Then we type here YouTube. Let's see whether we get some. Yeah, let's see like this one. YouTube does it. So it's like that. It will open a new tab whereby it will give you some working space for you. So here we want to do downloader. So first of all, I need to have an image of the downloader icon. So maybe you go to your browser again. Now type downloader. Download the app. Let's see what comes, because we need to have the image. So after it opens, you go to images. Then we need to select one of the images for the downloader. So for me, I'm looking for one whereby the downloader for the smart TV. So this can do, this can do, this can do. So I'm just looking for the best one to use. So I pick both of these two. So you click it first, and I open it on the tab, and I click the other one, open another tab. I just want to take those images, then I load them to the software so that I can be able to do some editing. So as they open, I come here and open Snip. So open. So I take a snip of it up to there. So I need to save this file. So it's done. So I need to see the other one. Open new. Take a clip of this. After it saves it also. So I just put one here so that it doesn't override the other one. Okay, I say save. So we are done collecting the images. So I'll close this, and also close this. So we go back to our Canva. Okay, so now I go to upload. So I say upload media. And I go to where my images are, so in the desktop part. So I need to elect all of them to bring them to the software. You have not downloaded, so bring them to the image, so you just click. So click. I want to bring all of them so that I can do editing for both of them. Okay, I'm looking for a design. Change this color first. I think the red is okay. Let me check. Yeah. Okay. So you see how it is now. So now I need to put a description like how to. So this is it. So download. This is the thumbnail for me. So I want to put something here, maybe some writing. It looks nice now. Select this writing. I need this to be white so that it matches. Now that looks better. So now this will be presentable for my video. So then now I'll show you how to download it now so that you can be able to use it. So you have to download it to your computer so that now you can pick it from there, then you put it in your YouTube. So now you go to share, then you need to click download. Then it is a PNG format you need, so it's a download. I'm going to download these to our computer, which is here. So then after you download them, you can use it now for your purpose in terms of putting them as a thumbnail or just a picture or whatever you want to use it. So guys, that is how you make thumbnails for your YouTube channel or YouTube videos. So guys, thank you for watching.